We often think of time as a one-way street. What is lost is lost. But in the quiet corners of a kitchen, we witness the art of a second chance. 5 milliliters of water. To some, it's just a drop. To the bread, it's a resurrection. As the steam envelops the crust, it performs a delicate dance of thermodynamics, trapping moisture inside, while the heat sculpts a golden, defiant exterior. Psychologically, we are drawn to the sound of a crunch. It is a primal signal of freshness and safety. In this 180-degree environment, we aren't just making breakfast. We are practicing the alchemy of texture. When the world feels soft and uncertain, there is a profound comfort in something crisp. Reclaim the crunch. Reclaim your morning.